Hello, I'm Melanie Jane and welcome to my scent studio in France. I'm delighted that you've chosen to take this course with me. This is an introduction to perfumery where I'm going to be sharing my scent secrets and teaching you the fundamental principles of perfumery so that you will get a better understanding of the inside world of fragrance. I'll be teaching you about the notes, the families, the themes, the olfactory system. We'll be delving into the fragrance families and giving you a beautiful fragrant journey. I'll be showing you the evolution of perfume through the ages, and then you'll be able to see how intrinsically linked fragrance is with fashion. I'm so excited to take you on this journey. We'll be talking about intensities as well, and at the end of the course I'll be answering some frequently asked questions about perfumery, so I'm really excited about that. So join me, if you will, on this fabulous fragrant journey through scent. I'm Melanie Jane and I hope to see you soon.